Hello, welcome to today's class. And today we will be looking at another type of pronoun, which is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns. Now, what are indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronoun is a type of pronoun that does not refer to a particular person, thing, or amount. This type of pronoun, it's not like the other type of pronouns that can refer to something that you can see or you know, but it just, you know, doesn't help us to see exactly what it is talking about. It just says something in general, like it is not specific, but usually it uses terms that are general, vague, unknown. Like the real thing is not identified. So the identity of the person, object, or place is not mentioned. This is why it is called indefinite pronoun. Now, some examples of indefinite pronouns include somebody, someone, anybody, anyone, everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, each, either, neither, one, both, few, many, several, all, some, any, none, most. So these are some of the examples of indefinite pronouns. These indefinite pronouns can actually be grouped into three. So these three groups are people, things, and places. Now, under people, we have examples such as somebody, someone, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one, everybody, everyone, few, several, many, others, all, some, any, none, most. So these are indefinite pronouns used when talking about people. So let's look at some examples. Examples we have one, somebody took my book. So somebody took my book, but I don't know who it is. But I know that somebody took my book. Example number two says most of the students passed. So a lot of students wrote an exam or an assessment, but out of these number of students that wrote, most of them passed. And the last example says several people were injured. So there was something that happened somewhere, and people were running here and there, and several of them were injured in the process. Several. We go over to the next group, which is things. Examples of indefinite pronouns used when talking about things. We have something, anything, nothing, everything, each, all, some, any, none, one, another, both, either, neither, few, several, many, much, and most. So these are the indefinite pronouns used when we are talking about things, objects. So let's see some examples in sentences. Example one says, everything was set when we got there. Everything was set when we got there. And two, some plates were missing when we counted. Some plates were missing when we counted. And the last group is places. So places, these are the words we use, the indefinite pronouns we use when talking about places. They include somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, and everywhere. So some examples are we searched everywhere. Example 2, he was nowhere to be found. And example 3, I know he is hiding somewhere. So, this brings us to the end of today's class, and I hope you learned something new today. Certainly, I know you learned something new today. So, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to keep your questions and make them available for me. We can discuss them. Thank you all for today's class. Enjoy your day. See you again. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. I'll see you again in our next class. Bye for now.